Apple has recently agreed to pay out $50 million to settle a lawsuit over their faulty butterfly keyboards used in MacBooks between 2015 and 2019. Eligible MacBook Pro owners who had either one or two top case replacements will be receiving an email about the settlement and can submit a claim form to receive compensation. There are three groups that customers will fall into. If you're a MacBook Pro owner who had your top case replaced at least twice by Apple within 4 years of purchase, you're part of Group 1 settlement class and will be receiving an automatic payment and an email about the settlement. Group 2 settlement class members who had their top case replaced once, as well as Group 3 settlement class members who had a keycap replacement, need to submit a claim form to receive compensation. The amount of compensation varies depending on the number of repairs you had, with up to $395 available to those who had 2 or more top case replacements. The lawsuit dates back to 2018, when a group of customers sued Apple over the butterfly keyboard, claiming that the company concealed the defect from consumers in order to continue to sell Macs. Apple launched a keyboard repair program in June 2018, but it was only replacing butterfly keyboards with another butterfly keyboard, so there was no real fix. Today, all Macs use a scissor switch keyboard that is much more durable and able to stand up to small crumbs and dust. If you're eligible for the settlement, please submit your claim form by March 6, 2023. A final approval hearing will take place on March 16, 2023.